Actually, I started working late in life. I finished management engineering in Ateneo, but I felt I had a calling to be a priest. So I entered the seminary for 7 years. I finished philosophy, and then when I was about to finish my theology, I felt na baka hindi para sa akin, naiinggit ako sa mga may pamilya. So I left the seminary at the age of 30 and started looking for a job. Finally, I had a friend in the insurance business. After 2 years, they matrixed me or they placed me into the credit card business. But, after 2 years of working in the credit card business, parang tinuturuan ko ang tao na mangutang kaysa sa mag-ipon. I couldn't save. I had no savings in the bank. Well, honestly, I was just able to save 25,000 for 5 years of work. And I had incurred a huge debt in my credit card, around 250,000, because I was in the credit card business and I thought it was good. So I told myself, maybe this is really not for me. I decided to join my mother. You know, my mother has already been in the insurance business for the last, siguro at that time, around 25 years already. And she had an agency of her own. So I kept on helping her in her business, training agents, teaching them. After a while, when you teach agents, you begin to know the business itself, no? And the more you teach your agents, the more you feel that you start learning the tricks of the trade when it comes to sales. One day, this is my turning point. One day, I went with an agent to go out on a business, and to make the story short, we closed a very big sale. It was, in fact, a 7.5 million sale. And when we went home, the agent was smiling from ear to ear. Talagang nakatawa, halos bumagsak na yung mukha sa katuwaan. No? But me, I was thinking, this agent earned 3.5 million, whereas I earned nothing because I just got a salary from my mom. So basically, I was just an employee of my mother. So that was my turning point. I told myself, if he could do it, then I could do it too. I think one of the biggest benefits of becoming a Film Life advisor is you have a chance to earn variable income. When you say variable income, it's like you earn as much as you can, as much as you want. No matter, it's not like being an employee. As an employee, you have a ceiling. No matter how hard you work, if your salary is, let's say, 50,000, you just earn up to 50,000. As a Film Life financial advisor, you are like given a blank check on your table. And it's up to you to write how much you want to earn. Let's put it this way. Before joining Film Life as a financial advisor, my car was a 20-year-old Colt Galant model. After I joined Film Life as an advisor, I was able to buy 2 brand new vehicles. Before Film Life, I never traveled outside of the Philippines. After Film Life, I was able to bring my wife for a honeymoon in Europe. And, my son, 3 years old, we brought him to Alaska for an Alaskan cruise. Ako, nung bata, halos wala naman ako nakikitang gano'n. I never owned real estate. But when I joined Film Life, I was able to buy some lots. And, we are living comfortably in our own house. Film Life has really been one of the greatest benefits in my life. A while ago, I told you I was not able to save. When I joined Film Life, I have multiplied my savings 1,000,000 times. That is something, it has opened my mind on the value of saving money, on the value of investing money. Film Life has taught me how to invest in the stock market. So before anything else, before I teach my client on how to manage their wealth, I think the biggest benefit to me is Film Life taught me how to manage my own wealth. And if you feel that your mission, that you have a mission in helping others secure their tomorrows, this business is for you. I think the most successful people in this business are the people who do not run for money or who do not run for the commissions. They are the people who have the mission first and foremost in their hearts. You cannot be successful here unless you have the passion for the mission. And if you go for that, the commissions will follow.
Of course, I'm very proud of Eric. I am very proud and happy, not only happy, but I feel so satisfied and fulfilled that somebody will look after the agency I'm already 77 years old. I wanted to leave a name, my name, the Nick Dow name, with a solid and better foundation that I had built. I am proud of Eric. I am proud of what he has achieved. And I am proud that he is now one of the successful financial advisors in Film Life.